Come test drive the 2026 Highlander. The Highlander is the SUV that's thought of everything. The Highlander offers seating for up to 7 and features Toyota's innovative center stow design. The second row bench seat folds away, leaving a pair of captain's chairs. A 2010 top safety pick, the Highlander is where substance meets style. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, tow hitch, power lift gate, traction control, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, heated rear seats, power steering, alloy wheels. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.